Hey, superstars. Hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. Hey, imagine right now earning $2,000 right now, leaving comments on this site. And like, it's super easy to do, and all of you can do this. All I want you to do is this, okay? First, take a deep breath, and I want you to comment these words below. I can do this. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how easy it is, okay? And guess what? This is going to be the fastest video I've ever created on the planet here. Okay, it's not going to take a long time. And all you need to do is really believe that you can do this as you like this. Does that make sense? I'm going to be very transparent. I'm going to show you proof. As a matter of fact, let me do it right now. Now, listen, before I show you everything, go ahead and sub to the channel and like the video only if I give you value. Listen, I'm just a young black millionaire from Houston, Texas. There's nothing great about me, but I've learned how to manipulate the internet game. And what I want to do for free in this video, not ask you for any money. You can be older, younger, you could be a teenager, you can even have a big old forehead. Doesn't matter. If you'll pay attention in this video here, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. This is why so many people sub to my channel, and this is why I get hundreds of thousands of views and likes, because I just give value, and the people that apply it, they make money. And listen, disclaimer, this is not meant for you to be rich. Most people, unfortunately, they don't do anything. So if you don't take action, you won't get results. For the people that do take action and comment below, I can do this, and smash the like for me for the YouTube algorithm, you highly likely will make money. Okay, so listen, first step is this. You're going to make $2,000. Let me sign in. Now, this is Digital Store 24. This is the people that are going to pay you. And let me show you something. This is not a new site. It's a site you probably have used before. You've seen it, but you've never understood how to use it in a way to monetize online. Look, I'm at home. Look at me. I'm on TV right here. Look at me in that little fancy suit right there, looking nice, right? But at the same time, I'm wearing my off-white socks here, and I'm making money online. So let me log into my account. Give me a second. Okay. Show you one of my accounts here. Let me log in. And I just want to show you proof. Look here. That's here. Because before I show you anything, you need to know that I'm actually making money. It's Thursday, February 4th here. So if you scroll down here, February 4th, so far I'm up $2,100. You see that? And that's live. And I've made this money by using free techniques, okay? I'm spending no money doing this. $2,000 a day is $60,000 a month. Listen, what I want you to understand is this, because you may be thinking, well, how can I do that? Listen, first, you got to believe that you can. Comment below that you can do this. Does that make sense? I know it sounds silly. I know it sounds crazy, but just do it. The first step to making money in anything is just to have the belief that you can do this. Smash the like button if you truly believe that, okay? You got to, forget about the naysayers. There's going to be people that's going to criticize this, but don't focus on them. Focus on making the money. Does that make sense? All right, now listen. So once you sign up for a new account, okay, you want to go to digitalstore.com, and we're on the site. Please write this down, okay? Go to register now, okay? Many of you have already seen this site, and this is nothing but an affiliate platform, and these people allow you to basically make money promoting products. But listen, you don't have to spend any money to do that, okay? You want to choose affiliate like here, and just fill out your information all the way here. Pretty much this site takes every country, so that's good news. Smash the like button for that. And we're talking about all over the world. So smash the like button because it's all over the world for you to make money online, okay? If you're with me, smash the like button. If you need me to slow down, comment below, slow down, Wes, and I'll do that for you, okay? So listen, you go here. Once you have your account, you're going to log in, okay? Log into one of my many and several accounts here, okay? And then once you're in there, you're going to go to Marketplace, okay? Does that make sense? And you're going to go to all offers on Marketplace, because understand, for this to work, for you to make that $2,000, you have to make sure you promote something that is actually making money. And what I'm going to do, understand, it's a lot of products that you can promote right here on this site to make money. But let me share with the product that I know for sure, because this is what I am doing, okay? That's making money. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, I'm using it. I'm not saying that these other products can't, but I know it's working right now. And I've been doing it for 10 years. I've earned over like $40 million. But who cares about that? And as a matter of fact, I have no type of formal education. I dropped out of school, got kicked out the Army. Who cares? I'm still rich. So that should let you know that you can be rich as well, okay? But you got to pay attention. Go to person development here. Are you guys with me here? All right. Go to person development, and you see the product that says The Genie Script Works, okay? The Genie Script Works, and you want to grab what is called your affiliate link, okay? Now, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, this link is just like you recommending a movie. But the problem is when you recommend me a Netflix movie, you get paid $0. But with this link here, if you recommend it, you'll get paid up to $50, okay? Does that make sense? And I want us to do the math, you know, because I want you guys to understand that this is really powerful, possible here. So let's do the math. Let's bring up the calculator here, okay? All right, everybody with me? All right, that's my license, guys. Hold on. Let me move that. I want you guys to take my identification here. Sorry, but oh my God, really? Really? Hold on, give me a second. All right, look, let's do the math here. All right, come on, delete. All right, listen, if we get at $50, if you get 4 people, okay, from your bedroom, from your home, okay, doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter how smart or stupid you are, there's $200 a day. That should be your first goal, to make $6 grand per month, especially the people who have never made money, especially the people who have not made over $5,000 per month on the computer. Okay, your goal is $200. So that's just 4 people, taking people through this process that I'm going to show you. Put that and ram that into the back of your mind. Okay, so you're going to take this link here. Are you guys with me? Then you're going to go to this other site called bit.ly.com. Okay, now listen, don't fast forward the video. I'm going to show you the site that's going to make you very happy. Okay, but don't fast forward. Just make sure you pay attention as you like everything that you see in this video here, okay? You want to copy and paste. Now, listen, this is your affiliate link, okay? Are you with me? This is your affiliate link, okay? Hit the shorten button, okay? Hit the copy button. This is very easy so far. Comment the word easy if this is easy so far. Listen, I've created this so you'll understand, like, it's super easy to do, okay? Very easy to do. Just all you're going to do is leave comments, okay, on this cool site. So once you get that, you want to go to the site by the name of Reddit. Does anybody know what Reddit is? Well, Reddit is a powerful site because they have millions and millions and millions of people every single day. You can sign up for free. And the great thing about it, what you're going to do is, since this is a meditation type product, you can just type in meditation. See, the great thing about Reddit, they have hundreds of thousands of people just like you all over the planet that's looking to give you money. They're looking for something, right? So the thing is, when you're online, you have to make sure you know your demographic, which means is you have to know exactly who you're selling to, right? You don't want to sell the Genie Script to a doctor. You don't want to sell the Genie Script to a photographer, right? You want to go exactly where these people are. These type of people, they will buy your product, okay? Does that make sense? Click on meditation here, okay? Are you guys with me? And ignore all the naysayers. You know, never look at negative comments. Listen, if you live your life looking at negative comments because you're trying to validate that this is not real and it doesn't work, well, you'll always be broke and poor and average. I'm going to be honest with you. You'll always be broke, poor, and average because the complainer never makes money. They just run. If they do, they make a little bit and they lose it because they complain. They bitch all the time. All right, so look, you go to meditation here. And as you can see, I've already joined the group because I did it. I did it today. I did it all day. And I made like $2,000, so you can do it as well. So look, this is where it gets cool. And no, you're not going to post a link all over the website. You're going to get banned for that. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you've ever been banned before. I've been banned many times because I was doing it wrong, okay? You're going to do it right, all right? And yes, I can see the comments below. If you have a question, comment below. Let me know where you're calling from just to make sure that this technique works in your country as well, okay? All right, so now what you want to do is just scroll down here. Who's with me here? And you go to like 85 comments. You see these comments here? Click on that. They're talking about meditation, okay? And you see these people right here? These are people that are leaving comments on the website, okay? Does that make sense? You seen it? So this is what I call, excuse my language, fresh bait. You know, I mean, listen, people are online for a couple of reasons. They want to go to different porn sites, right? Or they want to make some money, or they want to watch Netflix. They watch the YouTube. But listen, at the end of the day, people go online to educate themselves or to entertain themselves. These people are trying to educate themselves as it relates to meditation. So what I do is this. I click on this guy, Zumba Marine, whatever, okay? I'm going to start a chat with this guy. This is what I write. Write this down, please. Love what you posted. Write that down, please. Love what you posted the other day on Reddit, okay? Are you guys with me? See that right there? I mean, I've been doing this all day. Look, 'cause I just had to prove that it actually worked. So when I upload the video and people start to get excited about what I did, they would just like it and say, oh my God, this is powerful. Look, love what you post. So what I do is I do it to 100 people. Remember, I only need 4 people to purchase and click on the link and take the meditation to make $6,000 a month, right? So I do 100. You can do 1,000 people. It's up to you. And I'm going to show you an autopilot way to do it for all you lazy people that just say, well, Wesley, I can't type. So listen, I got something for you as well. So what I do is I'm just going to start a conversation with this person. That makes sense? I'm going to start a conversation with them. They're going to say, oh, thank you so much. That's how people are. People are like, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm saying, yeah, absolutely. And what I'm doing is I'm building rapport. Obvious, right? And I do this to like 100 people. I did it like for a couple of hours, right? I copy and paste this. Love what you posted on the other day on Reddit. Love what you posted on the other day. Like all these people on Reddit, because these people are within the demographic of the niche that I'm promoting to make the money. Does that make sense? Smash like if you love when I said, I love what you posted the other day on Reddit. So then when you start building the conversation, right? And you say, tell me more about what you do. I do this, this. What do you think about meditation? Oh, I think this. Hey, guess what? I need some help. Now, this is what you're typing. Listen, I'm going to change you guys' lives. You're going to quit your jobs. You're going to tell your boss that you'll never work another day in your life because of Wesley Virgin. So show me some love below by smashing that like button. Check it out. Watch this. This is powerful. Watch this. So what you do is you reach out to the people, tell them that you love them, love what they posted. They're going to like you automatically because you like them, right? People like people that like them, right? Then the next step is you say, hey, I need your help. What do you think this person going to say? You need my help? Okay, let me help you, right? Let me tell you why. So it's a very psychological technique, right? People love helping people for some reason. You know, people just love helping people all day. If I say, hey, Daquan, can you help me? Hey, neat freak, I need your help. You're going to be like, what? Even though you probably don't have no money, no time, no nothing, but people just have this proclivity to help people on the planet. So this is what we're going to do this guy. I need your help. What do you think about this meditation? What do? I take the link that I had right here, right? You see this link? I take that link here. If you guys are getting value, comment below, I'm getting value. And if you're too lazy to comment below, I'm getting value, smash the like button 5 times. Let's get it. Look. So what I do is I say, hey, I need your help, right? I comment that, you know, after I have like a short conversation with them, and I say, what do you think about this free meditation? And I put my link. And what I do is, so I won't get banned, I put a space there. I said, take out the space, okay? Are you guys with me? I can stop this video right now, and you guys can make money. Smash the like button if you think that you can use this right now to make some money. Look. I say, listen, write this down, record this video, watch it again if you need to. All I'm going to type is, hey, I need some help. What do you think about this free meditation? Here's the link. Take out the space. And I do this to like thousands of people. You can do it per day. Now, I know some of you right now may say, well, okay, Wesley, I can do this, but is it an autopilot way to do this? Listen, I'm going to give it to you right now. All I need you to do is sub to the channel and smash the like button. Why? Because you know you love me. You know you love me, seriously. You know you love this transparency, right? All right, look, check it out. So this is what you do. You go to Fiverr.com. You know, just follow my lazies out there. You know, my lazy ladies and my lazy gents here. Go to Fiverr.com, and basically you're typing in word virtual assistant. This is what I do. I'm just, you know, people say, well, you rich people don't ever share the sauce. Well, here's the mother effing sauce here, and let's see if you're going to take action and do it now. You get a virtual assistant, pay them like $5, and basically give them this video that I just recorded for you and say, hey, do this. Do what that black guy just showed me on this video. Can you do it? And they just do it for you and say, hey, you can't leave your room. You can't log off until you make me 5 sales today or 4 sales. That's $200. That's $6,000 a month coming into your bank account every single month with ease. That's $2,000 by doing comments. Does that make sense? Is everybody with me? Okay. That's it. Look, these people from Fiverr.com, you pay them $10, they'll do everything for you. And they're probably more knowledgeable than you. They're more technical than you. So all you got to do is lay on your couch, relax with your beautiful off-white socks, wiggle your toes a little bit, smash the like button, and just get paid. Does that make sense? Now, if you can do this, comment below, Wesley, I love you. I can do this right now. This is legit. It is real. I did it. I showed you the money. I don't know how many times do I have to show you guys the money that's just real. Look, let me log in again, you know, just in case for these naysayers. Here it is right here. Look, Genie Script works. And this is today. This is proof. This is transparency here. And go ahead and sub to the channel. Go ahead and like the video if I gave you massive value. And as you can see, the money is just going up here, right? I mean, you know, I don't know what else to show you guys. This is free. It is real. It's legit. In the description below, I'll leave a couple of links so you guys can start doing this right now. How many of you are going to do this? Listen, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. A lot of you are going to watch these videos and you're going to have this stupid, distorted belief that you can't do this. And you have the tendency to be negative. Listen, don't be negative. Be positive. Be real. Understand that there's people that are winning on the planet, a lot of them. And it's based off our attitude and belief that we can do this. And I want you to comment below that you can do this. And I want you to do it right now, not tomorrow, not when you make some money, not when your daddy give you a hug, not when you leave your, right now. This is Wesley Virgin, Virgin, much love. Let's go.